Once the image is acquired, hit the freeze button and we are now in cine mode. We can scroll through the frames with the trackball. This number demonstrates the amount of frames saved. Calipers are selected. Use the trackball and the set button to adjust the calipers. We will examine the distance, trace, and ellipse calipers. Vertical and horizontal measurements are taken using the distance calipers. The results are displayed at the bottom. Use the clear button to erase the measurements. Select the trace caliper to outline an area to measure. Use bad art skills. The circumference and area are displayed below. Use the clear button to erase the measurements. Select the ellipse caliper to outline an area to measure. Trackball up and down to set the vertical axis. Trackball left and right to set the horizontal axis. The circumference and area are displayed below. Congratulations, you now know how to use your calipers.